Hello students, I welcome you all to the social studies class, and today we are going to study chapter 13 of class 4, and the name of the chapter is Early Civilizations. In this chapter we are going to learn about two famous civilizations. First is Indus Valley civilization and second is Egyptian civilization. We will also learn about the location, important buildings and occupations of these two civilizations. So the word civilization means people living in a settled way. If we talk about very early age, अगर हम बहुत पहले की बात करें, उस टाइम पे the people used to live in forest or in the caves or on the trees. They also moved from one place to another in search of food and water. Okay, but when they started getting water and food at one place, तो उन्होंने move करना बंद कर दिया. And if they have stopped moving from place to place, so उनको एक particular house भी चाहिए रहने के लिए. That's why they have started living in a settled way at one place, and that is known as civilization. So the features of civilization are planned cities, growth of language and writing, practice of trade, and last is art and craft. So when they have started living at a particular place, तो उन्होंने अच्छी buildings बनानी शुरू की. They have started expressing their emotions by using certain symbols. Practice of trade means they have started purchasing and selling goods or the products. They have also started making vessels, tools and other articles. Now let us have a look at some of the pictures of that time. So the right hand side picture is showing the continent Africa and blue color is Nile River. So the ancient Egyptian civilization grew along the banks of the river Nile. That means इसी river के पास Egyptian civilization was situated. And if you look at the left hand side pictures, one is the ancient statue of Sphinx and pyramid of Khafre. And the next picture is Pharaoh Ramses II holding a lamp. Pharaoh means a king. He was a king and the name is Ramses II and he is holding a lamp. On this slide, the right hand side picture is showing Indus Valley civilization near Indus River. On the left hand side, first is the ruins of Dholavira in Gujarat, India. And next one is ancient well and probably the bathing place of the people of the Indus Valley civilization. Now let us study about Indus Valley civilization first. Thousands of years ago, along the banks of the Indus River, the Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization grew. बहुत साल पहले, this Indus Valley civilization grew along the bank of this same river Indus. Important cities of Indus Valley civilization are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and these both the cities are found in present-day Pakistan. Next is Kalibangan, and that is found in present-day India. Next is Dholavira and Ropar. These both the cities are also found in present-day India. The people of Indus Valley were known for building well-planned towns. As you can see in the first picture, long straight main roads and they were linked with smaller lanes in the cities. Next is the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. It is having a huge tank in the center with changing rooms all around the tank. Next is there were mud brick houses built around the courtyards. Houses had upper and ground floors. So these are some of the buildings of Indus Valley civilization. So at that time the people were very creative. As you can see in the picture, they were having long straight main roads and that too were linked with the smaller lanes in the cities. Next they were having great bath at Mohenjo-daro. It is having huge tank and the changing rooms around the tank. Then the mud brick houses which were built around the courtyards and they were having the upper and ground floors. It is so nice to see such a creative buildings at that time. Next topic is occupation. People practiced farming and grew wheat, barley and vegetables. So at that time people used to practice farming and they used to grow wheat, barley and vegetables. The great granary at Harappa was a very large granary for storing grains. So granary is something where we can store grains. Okay, people were artisans and craftspeople. Metals were used to make vessels, tools, and other articles. So, different metals were also used to make vessels, tools, and other articles. Next topic is seals. So, what are seals? They were a flat, small stone or metal tablet with a small symbol and some writing on it. The seals found in the Indus cities tells us that the Indus people knew how to read and write, but the language was very difficult or the symbols were very different that we are unable to read that script. Hope you have understood everything about the Indus Valley civilization, and in our next class we will cover the topic Egyptian civilization. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.